5 handsome ways to make money at 15. You have probably heard about the saying, don't worry about making money, just make sure you make enough. It is a pretty simple formula, but one that doesn't always pan out. In fact, most people spend their entire lives working towards a goal only to find themselves wondering why they are not financially stable. If you are worried about making money, it may be time to rethink your strategy. I have created a simple framework that will help you make money at 15. Yet everyone wants to be financially independent at an early age, and this is a normal phase in every teenage's life. Also, in today's era, everyone wants to explore new ways and start their career. I have found a couple of interesting sources through which you can make money at 15, and some of them are listed below. Follow it and watch your financial goals come to life. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon for the future updates. Number 1. Make money from writing. As a teen, I took on freelance writing assignments from time to time. One of my first was a short piece for a local newspaper about the history of the town where it really a story I had any real interest in writing, but I enjoyed learning about the time and getting paid for it. Today's newspapers aren't very popular as the blogs replaced them completely. The most common types of content you can write on a blog are news stories, press release, blog posts, product reviews. You can also write product descriptions and feature articles. In addition, when writing content, you should always try to be original and try conversions to generate leads for the clients. The more original you are, the more people will be interested in reading your content. Number 2. Start blogging. Secondly, if you are creative and can write well, then you can start your own blog. Blogging is one of the best ways to make money at 15. If you are interested in making money online, then you can start your own blog. There are various platforms like Blogger, WordPress, Tumblr, and more through which you can create your blog. You can monetize your blog by running advertisements, selling products, and doing affiliate marketing. This means that you will get a commission every time someone buys a product from your blog. This is one of the low-invest startup for teens. Number 3. Start an e-commerce store. You can start an online store where you can sell your products. There are various platforms like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, through which you can start your own e-store. You can also sell products at local market. Before starting your online store, think about why you are selling online. There are several reasons to sell online. You may already have a physical store and want to expand your reach to customers in your area. Or maybe you are looking to increase your brand awareness or build your reputation online. Whatever your reason, start by thinking about the purpose of your online store. Then choose a platform that will best serve your need. Lastly, ensure the store has a good design to grab the attention of buyers. If you are not an expert in web designing and development, then you can get assistance from online resources or use tools like Canva or Corello for creative graphics. Number 4. Do freelancing. Whether you want to make money as a freelancer or not, it's never too early to start getting your foot in the door. The key to success as a freelancer is to start and foremost become known in the niche market. So start building your personal brand as soon as you can. Use social media and build relationships with those in your industry. You never know who you might meet, and networking is one of the easiest ways to get started. If you're good at writing, then you can work as a freelance content writer. There are websites like Upwork, Freelance, Fiverr, where you can sell your articles post. Freelancing is one of those things that doesn't seem like it's for you until you try it out. It isn't just for adults only, so if you're looking for a summer job or a way to earn some extra cash, you don't have to wait till you're old enough to sign up for the platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or peopleperhour.com. You will get a lot of clients from these websites, and you will have to write unique content for them. Before I move to the 5th step, add the best freelancing platforms video on your watch list available on our channel. Number 5. Earn by teaching English. It doesn't matter whether you're a teenager or an adult, English is still the world's language, and there are lots of jobs waiting for those who can speak it fluently. If you're a native English speaker with the ability to teach, you can earn a lot of money from home. Many language schools offer flexible schedules, and you can even earn more if you offer online courses. Similarly, if you're interested in teaching English as a second language, ESL, you may have an opportunity to earn some money online. Some teens who are just starting out as teachers can make upwards of $25 per hour. At that rate, a part-time job teaching English as a second language could be a great size business idea while you're still getting your ESL certificate. It is one of the top ways to make money at 15. Bonus tip: tutor kids. Do you have enough knowledge about the particular subject? Then you can tutor others. As a lot of teens have a passion for teaching others, whether they are tutoring kids in their spare time or spending hours every week in the classroom, they love to share what they know. If you are already teaching English as a teen, why not step it a step further and start tutoring other subjects as well? Once you have built up a decent following, you can earn money by charging on your services. Conclusion. In conclusion, when you are young and your goals may be changed as you grow up or get older, but your attitude towards money should always remain the same. You'll always be trying to get more money and be successful, but sometimes you don't always find the opportunities that you want. Don't worry about the setbacks, instead work hard and focus on what you can control. As the saying goes, if you want to get rich, you have to learn how the rich think. You'll always find new ways to make more money and eventually you'll get there. Keep in mind that money isn't the only goal you should strive for, but it is the best way to achieve everything else that you want to do. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.